What is good, everybody, and welcome to today's video. So one of the best things I think that Ford did when they redesigned the Mustang for 2010 was the addition of these loading screen turn signals. Now when they did a little refresh for the taillights in 13 and 14, I think it's some of the best taillights that are on the Mustang market right now. And while these loading screen turn signals do look cool, with one modification, we can have them do it all the time. So we have a taillight sequencer harness that we're going to install today. It's very simple, very easy to install, and I'm going to strap on the POV camera and I'll take you along through the process. It's a very simple install, should only take a few minutes, and I'll take you along through that process. Alright, so you're going to pop your trunk, and it's really simple. It's just plug and play. Here's our wiring harness. Okay, so you just have to remove 4 sections here. You start off by loosening it up right here. I think I'm doing it the right way if it's getting looser. There we go. Same thing on this side, loosen the other one. Make sure you don't lose them so you can close everything up. And then the last 2 are here. You can pry them out with like a pick or something, but they said you can just kind of pull this off as you go. Just kind of give it a little tug. Okay, so once that's out, here's your taillight harness on either side. So you're going to unclip the tab right here. Okay, that's one. Do the other side. Okay. All right. Click. And click. Okay. Push that off to the side a little bit. Repeat for this side. Click and click. Okay. Go ahead and line this back up. Okay, it's all lined up. Hook this back up, take your last 2 screws. Okay, and that's it. We are done, guys. Everything feels good, so let's test it out. See how we did. So that's it, guys. Very simple plug and play install. Now the turn signals are going to do the loading screens when you hit the hazards, unlock or lock the car, when you put your hazards on, when you touch the brake pedal, it's also going to do the loading screens. So just a little silly mod you can throw into the car. I got off on AmericanMuscle.com. I think they're about 60 bucks, something like that, for this plug and play. So I'll put that link in the description if you want to check out the link. You can do it through, at this point I think you can do it for like, I don't know, 2,000 Mustangs and up. So yeah, if you want to check it out, I'll put the link down below. And let me know if you like this video, guys. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next upload. Take care, guys.